In this video, we will talk about how to show thumbnails instead of icons in VLC videos. Method 1. Enable thumbnails in Windows. Right-click on window icon. Select Run. Type Control Folders and click on OK. Select View tab and uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Now click on Apply and OK. Here you can see this video is showing thumbnail instead of icon. Method 2. Clear and reset thumbnail cache. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type Clean MGR and click on OK. Make sure you have a C drive selected. Scroll down, check Thumbnails, then click on OK and select Delete Files. Once it's done, click on Window icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Install Codec Pack. Open your browser. Type Klite Codec Pack and press Enter. Open the website. Here, you can select Standard or Full. Completely depend on your requirements. You can read the information in here. I'm selecting Standard. Scroll it down. Select the downloading server. After downloading, open it. Click on Yes. From here on, select the options as per your requirement. After installing the codec pack, simply restart your computer. So that's how you can show thumbnails instead of icons in VLC videos. See you in the next video.